Oh, I'll tell you what, I am fucking freezing. Fucking drained. I thought I'd do a new little thing. I don't know, just to fucking keep me happy now. Mischief. I thought what I'll do is a bedtime review. Review from the bed. So my first review of the bed is ZIPPO lighter. I've got tactical pink, fear the beard out. I don't smoke, but it's always nice to have a light with it. But what's the problems with the ZIPPO? It's the gas inserts, isn't it? They don't last long. But so it's a ZIPPO brand, but it's gas. Right? Fucking gas. Right? So I've got two, but here he goes. ZIPPO. Fuck off. Oh, here he comes. Look. Come say hello then. Come here. Come say hello. Come here. You love Daddy. Hey. Do you love Daddy? Hey. So ZIPPO inserts. Made from ZIPPO. Not long had him. I think they're fucking brilliant. ZIPPO inserts. Out. Oh, thought I fucking slug. Oh, you cunt. Trying to press the fucking button here.